Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing the National Icons 2025 Hot Wheels Silver Series set, where every car is representing a nation as an icon depicted on the card art. This set also has a chase piece, so stick to the video till the end to find out what it is. So let's just get into it. So first we have car number 105, which is the Ford GT40. It has little bit of tampo work and the hood is painted dark blue. On the side it says 12. The color is white and the wheels are modern muscle 5-spoke wheels. So overall a good casting to start off the set. Let's move on. Car number 205 is the Jaguar lightweight E-Type. The color looks so good on this, which is actually metal flake blue. It has white stripes and the number 63 along with Hot Wheels written on the hood. This one actually comes with a metal base, so that's incredibly good. And the wheels are star 5-spoke wheels. So overall this is quite a nice casting. Now let's move on. Next we have the little one, which is car number 305. The 60s Fiat 500 D Modificado in this black color. The interior is chromed out and the back engine cover is open, and we also have the engine details in chrome. So let's move on. Next we have the 1971 Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTR in this orange color. The casting actually feels a bit heavy. It has black stripe as tampo work. The wheels are 6-spoke wheels. Now this one is a classic, so it needs no introduction. It's a great casting. Now let's move on to the last one. So next is the car number 505, which is the 67 Porsche 911R. This actually has a chase variant, so I just wanted to show both of the car arts real quick. The chase variant here has this dark shade on the car. Other than this, it looks almost identical. However, the actual cars look a lot different in terms of the paint. This one has the normal red color, whereas the chase variant has Spectra Flame red paint. So now coming on to our previous one. This looks so incredible in this red color. On the side it says Porsche. The wheels are cast 5-spoke wheels. So here you can actually see the difference, and the chase piece also has a metal base. So this was Hot Wheels Silver Series National Icons 2025 set. I hope you liked it, and do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, let's include the chase piece. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more diecast videos. Bye bye.